That's how you can transform video clips and footage in Capcut Mobile completely for free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video clip so it's selected and highlighted. Down and scroll to the right, you see the option transform. Mirror your video, you rotate your video, you even choose to resize your video as well. In case when we click transform and click resize, we can change the aspect ratios for different custom settings and click the checkmark icon. Another thing you can do if you want, say we want to add a keyframe at the beginning, click the diamond icon at the very end of the video and add a keyframe. You want to click and select your video and scroll to the right and click transform. You can see you can even resize, mirror your video, but in this case we're just going to click our video clip. I'm going to pinch in, zooms in, I'm going to pinch out so it rotates, and I'm pinching left and pinching right, like so. I say this is the before and this is the after in Capcut Mobile completely for free.